Alright guys, it is day... Shit. Last day and I can't remember what it is. I think 25, 26? Doesn't matter. Last day. And we're going to the airport. It's already a little bit later, so it's like 1 or 2 p.m. 2 p.m? Yes. So it's already afternoon, but we were allowed to stay in our room a little bit longer because the flight leaves at like 10 in the evening. And I think they rescheduled it, so it now leaves an hour later or something. They had some problems in London. But yeah, that means we got still a ton of hours to spend at the airport. But first we gotta leave this room and I gotta carry this huge luggage here down to the lobby. Ah. Alright, bye bye Calgary. It was a nice time. I'm so ready for my own bed. Yes! Let's go. It's heavy. Oh yeah, right. Also, new baseball cap, still Under Armour, because the other one kind of looks so faded after being in the sun for like 3 summers. Yeah, it was worth it. The old one kinda, it had spent this nice amount on my head while biking, but it had done its job. It was time for a new one.
Wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight.
So we're taking a walk on the block here because we got so much time. What do you have to say about this?
Nothing. Hopefully home soon.
Do you miss your bed?
No, I don't, but I don't like the flight and all these things.
She doesn't miss her bed.
No, I had a good tent. I had a better mattress than you.
Yeah, mine kept breaking. I'm gonna try to send it back when we get home. No, but she has only been away from home for a month, so she doesn't feel my pain. Yeah, kind of.
Trying to catch a flight and make it in time. You could say I got a fly state of mind. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life.
And it is delayed. Damn it.
Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night. Trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life.
We are the last plane flying out today, so everybody in here is flying with that one.
Up to a butler with a joint roll for me to help me head upwards. While I clear my head, I wanna discover that Natalie Portman is under my covers. Pull a blank check, get a water slide from my room to the pool. And I ain't worried about school, I'll take a paycheck and buy a couple of A's on my grade.
It was called, but we're through security already. Alright, I think we're gonna make it.
Some magazine rolling in a limousine. I got people to do, a couple things to see. Kick it at a mansion, partying with Charlie Sheen. I'd hit the studio with Kanye. Make a couple hits while we sipping Bombay. Make another trip to kick it with Dr. Dre. Then get hella jet lag from flying the whole day. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
Alright guys, so we've made it home. After 2 months of being away, I'm finally home again, my bed is here! Yeah, I'm so happy. It's like 2 in the morning, I believe, but in Canada it's like evening, so we're well, time zones and all that, so we're fully jet lagged, which means I'm not that tired, I guess, but I'm gonna go to sleep anyway. I think I'm gonna stay in my bed for the next 3 days. I didn't get to film a lot today because it was really hectic. British Airways had a lot of F-ups again, excuse my language. But, yeah. So, first off, the flight from Calgary to Heathrow was delayed by an hour because it came in too late. And then we didn't have that much time in Heathrow, but we ended up getting to our gate. Then 15 minutes before the flight was supposed to leave, they announced, oh, you need to change it. We were in A16. They said, oh, you need to go to 4B. But we thought they meant, like everybody at the gate thought they meant B4. So everybody went over, took the train to the B section of the gates, and then it was supposed to be A4B because it had like 2 of them at A4. And so that took an eternity, and then I had to take everybody out by bus. Then we were waiting on the runway for like half an hour to an hour because the weather was getting worse and we didn't get permission to take off. So it took us an eternity until we finally were in Copenhagen. Then we had to take the train to Malmö, or Malmö as it's called in Swedish. And then, yeah, another 4-hour drive by car. So I'm finally home after 2 months. For the ending of this vlogging project, I'm gonna give it back to Oli from the past, who ended it already, and yeah, lights off for him. Alright guys, it is Oli from the past here at this lake, again in Fernie, or up the hills in Fernie, about 3-hour hike. I didn't want to make this too long, just wanted to say thank you for following me on this adventure, and I certainly hope it's not going to be the last one. Next year is going to be different. It's going to be so much different because I'm moving to Vancouver and all that, but I'm sure I'm going to vlog that. Thank you for following me on this adventure. It's been an amazing time. I've met some amazing people, seen a lot of bears, seen a lot of amazing things, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.